To the casual visitor, the world of zoos and safaris is defined by what is visible. The graceful stride of a giraffe, the soaring flight of a macaw, or the powerful presence of a lion. But behind this curated majesty lies an unseen world of muck, the relentless, often messy work of care. This is the domain of dedicated keepers who scrub habitats, prepare specialized diets, and monitor health with scientific precision. It is in these humble, hands-on tasks, the cleaning of enclosures, the mending of fences, goats were one of the first animals domesticated by humans, originally in the Middle East. Goats can climb steep rocks and trees. Mountain goats live in extreme alpine environments. Goats eat grass, hay, shrubs, leaves, and weeds. Farmers often use goats to clear land of unwanted vegetation. Dolphins are known for their exceptional intelligence, including problem-solving, communication, and even self-awareness. Dolphins are marine mammals. They breathe air through lungs, give live birth, and nurse their young. Dolphins breathe through a blowhole on top of their heads. Lionfish are famous for their striking stripes and long, flowing fins. However, their elegant spines contain potent venom used for defense. A sting is extremely painful to humans and can cause nausea, sweating, and, in rare cases, breathing difficulties. White tigers are not a different species. They are a genetic variant of the Bengal tiger, Panthera tigris tigris. White tigers are often bred through inbreeding, which can cause health problems like crossed eyes, cleft palates, and scoliosis. White tigers are not albinos. They still have pigmentation in their stripes and eyes. Snails are mollusks, meaning they have soft bodies, usually protected by a spiral shell. Snails have 2 pairs of tentacles. The longer upper pair has eyes, and the shorter pair is used for smelling and feeling. Snails have a special tongue called a radula. Leopards are incredibly adaptable. They live in forests, savannas, mountains, deserts, and even urban edges across Africa and parts of Asia. Leopards have a beautiful golden yellow coat with rosette-shaped spots that help with camouflage. Sheep can recognize and remember up to 50 individual sheep and human faces for years. They use this ability to maintain complex social relationships within their flock. When sick, sheep will selectively eat specific plants that contain medicinal properties to treat their ailments, a behavior known as zoopharmacognosy. Hammerheads vary in size, from the smaller bonnethead around 3 feet, 1 meter, to the great hammerhead, Hammerheads are strong and agile swimmers capable of cruising long distances in search of food. Sloths spend most of their lives in trees, rarely coming down. They eat, sleep, and even give birth in the treetops. Sloths are found in the tropical rainforests of Central and South America, where they blend perfectly with the treetops. Sloths survive on very little food and energy. Clownfish are known for their vibrant orange color with white stripes, though some species are black, yellow, or reddish. Clownfish have a symbiotic relationship with sea anemones. The fish get protection, and the anemone gets food scraps and cleaning. Cats were domesticated around 9,000 years ago, likely in the Middle East. Cats are known for being independent, but can form strong bonds with humans. Cats purr when they're happy, but also when they're scared or in pain. It may help with healing. Cats sleep 12 to 16 hours a day. Seals are part of a group of marine mammals known as pinnipeds, which also includes sea lions and walruses. Seals live in oceans all over the world, from the icy waters of the Arctic and Antarctic to temperate and even tropical seas. Seals can dive to great depths. Tigers mostly live and hunt alone, marking large territories to keep others away. Unlike most cats, tigers love water and are strong swimmers. A tiger's roar can be heard up to 2 miles, 3 kilometers away. Their stripes help them blend into the forest shadows. Ducks belong to the family Anatidae, which also includes swans and geese. There are over 120 species of ducks. Ducks have webbed feet that make them excellent swimmers, colorful feathers, while females are usually brown for camouflage. Narwhals are social and usually move in groups of 10 to 20, but pods of hundreds have been seen. Narwhals are vulnerable to climate change. As Arctic ice melts, narwhals face increased threats from predators, ships, and loss of habitat. Camels can drink up to 40 gallons, 150 liters, of water in one go, and they can go up to 2 weeks without water. Camels live for about 40 to 50 years, used for transport, milk, meat, wool, and carrying loads, usually giving birth to 1 calf. Freshwater angelfish are native to the slow-moving rivers, floodplains, and swamps of the Amazon River Basin in South America. Marine angelfish are brightly colored residents of coral reefs in tropical oceans around the world, particularly the Indo-Pacific and Caribbean. Pandas have a special pseudo-thumb, an enlarged wrist bone, to help them hold bamboo. Pandas are excellent climbers and can even swim. They communicate using scent marks, vocalizations, and body language. Panda cubs are born blind and tiny, about the size of a stick of butter. Goldfish were selectively bred from wild Prussian carp over 2,000 years ago in ancient China. They were originally kept for meat, but mutations producing brilliant gold and orange colors made them prized as ornamental pets in ponds and palaces. Cheetahs are the fastest animals on land, reaching speeds up to 70 miles per hour, 113 kilometers per hour. Cheetahs eat mostly small to medium-sized animals like gazelles, impalas, and hares. They hunt during the day, especially early morning or late afternoon. Whales breathe air through blowholes on top of their heads and must surface regularly to breathe. Whale calves are born underwater after a long gestation period, and mothers nurse them with rich, fatty milk. Whales help maintain healthy ocean ecosystems by cycling nutrients and supporting marine food webs. Reindeer can change eye color from gold in summer to blue in winter to adapt to changing light levels. Reindeer are the only deer species in which both sexes grow antlers, though females are smaller. Reindeer make one of the longest land migrations of any mammal, up to 3,000 miles, 4,800 kilometers, annually. Reindeer can change eye color from gold in summer to blue in winter. Dolphins are known for their exceptional intelligence, including problem-solving, communication, and even self-awareness. Dolphins are marine mammals. They breathe air through lungs, give live birth, and nurse their young. Dolphins breathe through a blowhole on top of their heads and must come to the surface to breathe. Sharks have several rows of teeth that are constantly replaced throughout their lives. Some can lose tens of thousands of teeth. Sharks have special sensory organs called ampullae of Lorenzini that detect electrical fields produced by other animals. Sharks are often apex predators. That the foundation of animal well-being is truly built. Without this daily commitment to the unglamorous chores, the well-being of the animals would falter. reminding us that excellence often begins in the dirt. Beneath the surface of every habitat thrives an element of mystery. Even in managed care, animals retain their wild instincts and secrets.